back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be part time and requires no experience whatsoever. They are going to completely train you. Now, it is in the healthcare field, just so you know that up front, but this is going to be perfect for those of you who want to work from home, but you don't have any experience on your resume to land that dream job, or you want to get in the healthcare field and have no healthcare experience. This will get you in the door, get that experience to put on the resume, so then you qualify for other positions. Now, I have seen a lot of comments recently wanting no experience jobs. I know there's certain industries you want that in or you want full-time, but this is what I have found so far. But of course, please keep leaving in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those, and then keep an eye out when I am searching for job leads to share to see if I come across anything that fits your needs. This channel is geared towards trying to help as many people as possible work from home, living that happiest, healthiest life. So if this job lead is helpful for you, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Sarnova. Now, Sarnova is a company that works in the emergency medical services field. They handle things like respirators and different products like that is more for emergency life-saving type services. They have 98 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor, with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a part-time, fully remote for the United States patient research. Now, the part-time patient research specialist is responsible for supporting the patient billing department with all areas of their clients' private pay patients. You're going to be the brand ambassador for the clients and the patients that they serve. So you are going to basically be working internally by gaining an understanding of all the different departments that Sarnova has and how they work together to collect payment of all their medical emergency services claims. You'll work with external parties, including hospitals, insurance providers, attorneys, and patients that they serve, and you'll handle all their correspondence through mail, email, and telephone, performing any duties as assigned. So you're basically going to be an administrative staff for the billing department. Now, again, right here it says no experience is required. They are going to completely train you. They do want somebody who has certain characteristics, though. They want somebody who can be a team player, be a multitasker, and be professional in the way that you handle and carry yourself. Now, you do need to know basic computer skills, how to work a computer, and you need to be punctual, show up for work when you're supposed to be there, dependable, and a quick learner. But other than that, they are going to completely train you. They don't require any kind of college degree or anything like that. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position, and I did some research and could not find actual pay. So that'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but it does mention some benefits. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free again to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed these job leads. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.